Hello, welcome. Today I want to show you how to apply for Mbarara University Must online. Yes, you go to your phone or computer and enter in the browser this URL applications.must.ac.ug. It will open from this interface as you are seeing it here. Yes, so if you are a new user, you come here and click on sign up. If you already use this system, you just log in. You just enter your email here or phone number. You can either log in using a phone number or email. Yes, if maybe you want to know the directions on how to apply, the requirements you need to apply, you just click on how to apply. Yes, so now let me sign in as a new user. Click sign up. So enter the first name. Enter the phone number here. And make sure phone number you enter the right phone number, because that's where they're going to send the password. And because they send the password both to phone number as an SMS and an email and to your email, so you have to enter correct details. Yes, begin here when you are entering these things here. Yeah. Then you click sign up. Then it asks you this, you confirm. If yes, you just click yes. If no, you say no or you cancel. We say yes. Mobile number in use. Yes, I have to provide a different number. They are telling me this phone number already in use because I already used it signing in. So let me use a different one now. Sign up, yes. So they are saying successful. They have sent the message to my phone with a password. Let me copy it and I log in. Let me log in using a phone number. Then the password it is in the message. Yes, in a new screen, they are asking me to change the password. So what you do, you register a new password. Since the other one is a default system password, you just change a password and make it your own, that you may not easily forget. Confirm password here. Then you click change password. It will take you back to the login screen. You can come here, just enter the password that you changed to and you log in. Yes, we have now logged in. It says welcome. You currently do not have any forms. Click below to apply. So we just click on apply now. Higher Education Access Certificate Scheme Yes, so higher education certificate scheme, undergraduate. So if you're undergraduate, you apply down here, running from Monday 23rd August 2021 to Thursday 2nd December 2022. So if you're undergraduate, just apply here. If you are in if you are in higher education, that is maybe masters, you can as well apply here. Yes, but let me now apply. Click on apply as undergraduate. It's loading. Let me refresh it. So it is taking long loading. Invalid field. Oh, this is telephone number. I logged in using telephone number. Yeah, this depends on your internet speed. If your internet is slow, then some of these things will be slow. Apply now. Apply as the undergraduate. Yes, it has just come now. So it is asking me to enter my biodata. You enter your biodata here. Yes, enter your biodata. Surname, district of origin, marital status, nationality, ID, national ID number. Yes, however, national ID number is optional. Where you see these red asterisks, that means those fields are mandatory. Yes. So you enter these details. After that, you enter your permanent address here in this field. From there, you go to the next, where it asks you for the next of kin. You enter it. Disabilities, any physical or another disability. If no, you just put in no. Start for UNEB O level, you put in, then the subjects, you put them here. O level here and sitting here, you put the subjects. UNEB, distinctions, credits and passes, you just enter it there. Then you put your A level details as well, principal subjects, A level index number, year of sitting, subsidiary subject. Yes, programs of choice. Here you select your one you want to make your first choice. Yes, first choice, because they show you here first choice, second choice, third choice, fourth choice. Yeah, so you just put here. You can click here on select. You choose among the courses the one that you want, maybe biomedical engineering, Bachelor of Engineering in Electrical and Electronics. Let's say we choose that. Then we click on select. It will appear here. Campus. You choose the campus that you want. Yes, they are telling you it is in Chumro campus. And day and entry. Student year 1. Yes. Let me make it another. Let me choose another. Maybe that one. I don't want that one. I want Bachelors of Information Technology. Then I click select. it will come there. I choose campus. Is telling you that one is at main campus Mbarara. Yes, so day one, this one. Then you go choose the second choice. You want to make second choice. Maybe I want second choice. I want maybe science of petroleum engineering. Maybe I want computer science. I select it, click this, select. It comes there as well. As you are seeing it, it is also in Mbarara University and main university. I go to third choice, fourth choice. Yes. So then other qualifications, degree, diploma, certificate. They are telling you any qualifications you enlist here will be requested to be presented in hand form when you come to the institution to pick your admission letter. Provide most this one. So if you have any other qualifications, certificate or diploma or what, you just list them here. Then after that you click submit. So your application is submitted and you wait. Yes, the feedback via your email. Yes, so now the feedback to call you to come and pick your admission. Yeah, so that's all you have to do to apply for Mbarara University. So I think everything was clear here. Yeah, so please, if you haven't subscribe to this channel, consider being part of the team. Yeah, I give out educational content every week, so be part of the team. It's educational content. Some of the information you may not need them now, but tomorrow you may need them, or your friend may need that information, and you can easily direct. Yes, so and if you have a student, or if you're a student and you haven't applied, please, online system is on. Go on and apply. Yeah, so let's meet in the next video. Big ups.